Human urinary system. Select the correct answer for the following question. The process of regulating the amount of water in a blood fluid is called filtration. B. Re- Rapso, reps, repso, reabsorption, tubular, and the saturation. D. Osmolar regulation. Osmolar regulation is the correct option. What happens in the uh, proximal convoluted tubule of nephron? Blood is filtrated. A option by glomer, glomerulus, and the reabsorption of water and the nutrient occurs. C. Urine is stored. D. Water is secreted into the bloodstream. B. Reabsorption of water. Which structure is responsible for filtering blood to produce urine? Nephron, renal, pelvis, and the uterus. Ureters, or D. Renal capsule. Nephron is the correct option. Which structure in nephron is responsible for filtration blood? A loop of Henle, C. Glomerulus, C. Proximal convoluted tubules, and D. Distal convoluted tubules. ये all take parts, but the glomerulus is the B is the option of the correct option. In which part of nephron there is reabsorption of nutrient occurs? Glomerulus, proximal convoluted tubules, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubules. ये tubes of the uterus और kidney from the uterus है through the water extraction of the water as a urine collect the water in uterus. Collect the water in the urinary bladder. Which process is nephron involves the active transport of the materials from blood into the nephron? A is filtration, B is reabsorption, C secretion, or D is the excretion. Secretion is the correct option. Which is the not present in the filtration entering the Bowman's capsule of nephron? A part is water, B is calcium ions, blood cells, D is urea. B blood cell is C part is the correct option. Blood cells. In which procedure a machine is used to filtration blood outside the body? A. Peritoneal dialysis, hemodialysis, lithotripsy, renal surgery. A. Hemodialysis is good option. What is the primary process of hemodialysis? To rehydrate the body. B part 2. B option to replace lost nutrient. C option to filter waste product from blood. And D to regulate blood pressure. C is to filter waste products from blood. In peritoneal dialysis, what acts as the filtration membrane? Dialysis machine. A option is dialysis machine, renal contacts, peritoneal membrane, and the renal tubules. ये part of the pic image करेंगे ना, then there are these diagrams with label diagrams है, and the peritoneal membrane is the correct option for the peritoneal dialysis. Peritoneal dialysis.